Hello guys, thanks for tuning into this video where we're going to show you how to update your iCarsoft version 2.0 kit. It's a very simple process. We're going to show you step by step, but if you do need any genuine diagnostic tools for your vehicle, then please consider www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put the link to this website in the description below this video. This website's basically going to supply you with genuine diagnostic packages. There are fake and clone tools on the market. Unfortunately, they don't work very well and they won't update at all. So by all means, click on to Diagnostic World for genuine diagnostic tools. So into the video, the reason why you're watching this video is to show you how to update your version 2.0 kit. There are a lot of version 2.0 kits available on the market, but it is important to make sure you get the correct update tool for your kit. As you can see on the top here, there are a lot of different diagnostic packages available by iCarsoft. So it's important you select the update tool which is applicable for your vehicle. And these three kits, there are three different generations of kits which look similar, but they're actually different. So say for example, if right now we're going to show you a BMM version 2.0, but if you had a BM II which looks similar, there are two different update tools and you may well get error messages if you're using the wrong one. So to update your version 2.0 kit, then scroll down on this page. I'm going to put this link in the description below this video as well, and we want to click on to updating tool download. So that software set is downloading as we speak, and once it's finished downloading, just click on it and run the application. There might be very small differences in what you see on screen. I'm using Windows 10 here, and I'm going to click on to run anyway. So we want to run the program. We do trust the program, and it should just take a few seconds to install. There we go, install wizard complete. So click on to finish, and once we've done that, we can just get out of this and we can go to our desktop and click onto this one here, iCarsoft MS. Click yes to that, and it's going to give us the update screen, or the start of the update screen, and it's asking us to input a serial number. Don't type anything into this box. What I'll ask you to do instead of typing it in is just get your USB cable, plug one end into the computer, the other end into the tool. So I'm going to plug it right in, and as you can see, once we've plugged that in, we're getting a few beeps and the information of the tool has come on screen here, but also the serial number has automatically been inserted into this box. So that's going to stop you from maybe doing any errors which could cause problems with the update. So once we've got the verified number in here, just click on to upgrade. It's going to ask us to put our email in here, so I'm just going to put that in. And then it's going to ask us to put a UID code in, which is this number here on the bottom. I think that's correct, and just click OK. And then we are presented with this screen here, which allows us to do what we need to do. So it's telling us here I've selected 167 megabytes worth, and there's only 155 megabytes free on the card. So to get rid of a bit of space here, we can just delete the things we don't actually need, which is like the Dutch language and the Spanish language, and then we may as well get rid of everything else as well. And we're just going to simply update what we need. So then we're going to click on to download, and this should only take a few minutes, but we'll let that process complete. And then we have a message on screen here saying upgrade completed, so we just click OK to that. That is the update actually done. One thing I would say is when you come to the tool, just click on to back, and it's going to give us a message to say database is upgrading. And then once that's done, you'll get a message to say something like system is upgrading or system is updating. It just takes a few more seconds. There we go, system is upgrading. It'll refresh and restart the tool, and this now has the new software installed. So as I say, it's a very simple, very easy process, providing you are doing it correctly. We do get a lot of messages saying, you know, my iCarsoft tool isn't updating correctly. I'm getting error messages. It's not working. It is basically because people are using an incorrect version. So certainly for the 2.0 kits, make sure you're using the link I've put in the description below this video. It'll take you direct. See, this page might change here from time to time, so it's important just make sure the link is correct, and it should take you to the correct tool. But ultimately, the tools are available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, or I'll put the link in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps.